Y'all check this out. We are at Carowinds, but is this Carowinds? What is this? Scarowinds. Man, we have been waiting for this to return. We all know why it wasn't here last year. We're not gonna get into that. That was scary enough. But guess what? It's here now. You ready for this? This boy said he's ready. He don't want a new boo necklace. We're gonna see how that turns out. But anyhow, y'all, Scarowinds. Hey, but before we get inside, check out everything that's going on. Be sure to hit a like, subscribe, thumbs up, give us a comment down below. Do all that great stuff. Check out our other channel for all the great cooking videos we're doing. And hey, let's get inside. You ready? Let's do this. We are in Scarowinds. You ready, man? You ready? That sun is bright. Oh, they got the columns of the fire set up. I'm loving these LED screens that they added.
The time has come to let our nightmares begin. Release the hounds!
They're gonna carve your face like they did mine! Hi, Hello Kitty. Hi. Don't look at my back.
Where you going, man?
Look at me like that. Do you know what I do with people who look at me like that? I stuff them in the gibbets so the seagulls can pick out their eyes. And you, I'll strap you to a cannon and then blow you to bits, to smithereens. And you, I think I'll just make you walk away with a short skinny. Captain Jack Sparrow. Watch out! Keep them clenched.
Yes, Byron.
Aye. Your skull looks perfect.
Yeah, Tara's life for me.
Don't be cheap, scallywags. Come on now, when's my money doubloons?
Why? No.
Over here at Bailey's gift shop. Some pretty good Scarowinds merchandise over here, y'all.
Got one of them fancy magic boxes too, huh?
Yep.
What kind of sheriff is sheriff with two bullet holes in his face? Lazy ruffian. Y'all look good on camera? I look good.
You look great.
Photogenic. How y'all doing? Having fun at Carnival? Hey. How's it going?
I like your gun.
Wow, that was fun, wasn't it, man? Yeah, we had a man, Scarowinds, Nobu necklace. Can y'all believe it? He went through the mazes. You had monsters trying to scare you, chase you with chain. He fought that one off with his gun. Y'all see that, didn't you? Man was coming out with a chainsaw. He fought him off with a gun. Tell you what, it's so good to be back at Scarowinds. We love it. Matter of fact, that light you see flickering is a bad light back here. Kind of sets the mood, though, really. Tell you, we had a great time, didn't we? The monsters, if any of you all are watching, great job. Loved it, didn't you? Yep. What was your favorite thing? You don't know. He had so many fun things, he don't even know what his favorite was. I'd have a hard time saying a favorite too, I really would. But guess what? We got a special guest walking around with us one of these nights. Retro Ben, what was your favorite thing?
Probably the chainsaw people.
The chainsaws.
And the sliders. The sliders were awesome.
Sliders are always a favorite. Always love the sliders. Love how they just slide up and they scare people, throwing in sparks. You like sliders too, don't you? Yeah, we're gonna go home and slide. But anyhow, I could talk about this all night long, y'all. I could go back in and do it some more, really could. But we have to go, don't we? So, if you haven't already, please subscribe. Would love to have you here hanging with the Crazy Crew. If you don't know about our other channel, Cooking with the Crazy Pop, that was our original channel. There's actually a lot of Carowinds videos and stuff over on that channel still. But hey, go over there and check it out. Links down below in the description. Would love to have you there too. So with that being said, we got to go. Got a lot more great stuff coming up, so be sure you ring that bell notification. And hey, we want to thank you for hanging with the Crazy Crew.